Hey, it's Tamilynnhancock. I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could if you just don't give up. My job here on Facebook is to help you, online marketers, network marketers, grow your business using attraction marketing. My job is to help you change your mindset to get out of the sale mindset to the give mindset. And so today, my title is why do you keep chasing people? I can't tell you how many times I talk to people. Hey, Asif, how are you? I talk to either customers or I talk to people with online businesses, and they're having the problem of people chasing them. It comes up in conversations all the time. Even just the other day I was at work and we were sitting around talking, and sure enough somebody called me on the phone. Some company that I didn't want called me on the phone and wanted me to buy something. They were chasing me. Then I got home and somebody on the computer sends me a message and they were chasing me to buy some product and I didn't even know who they were. And I'm like, gosh, you didn't even take the time to get to know who I was. I didn't even know what state I lived in. So that showed me they didn't even take the time to look at my profile. And so if I'm feeling chased and my friends are feeling chased, I'm sure that you can relate with me with feeling chased too. Like, how many of you are watching right now just got chased yourself? Give me a thumbs up. Did you get chased this week? Did somebody come after you and say, buy this, I want you to find out about this opportunity? My question is, why do we feel like we need to chase people? It just doesn't work. People just don't like it. Thanks for those thumbs up. I don't like being chased. And this is one of the reasons why I'm so passionate about teaching you all attraction marketing. Because there are lots of people, thanks for those thumbs up, there are lots of people out there who really, really want businesses. They want to get out of the workforce. They want to be more in control of their lives. They want to have more time with their family, but they don't want to be a hunter. They don't want to be a lion that's out there just prowling and just hiding behind bushes ready to attack people. And that's what traditional marketing is all about. And attraction marketing is not about being the hunter. It's about being the one who is hunted. And so if you're out there and you're chasing people and you're saying, well, Tammy Lynn, what else am I supposed to do? How in the world am I supposed to get out the information that I'm selling something? Well, first let me ask you this. Do you think your family and friends already know you're selling something? Yeah, they probably do, because you've probably already gone through your warm market. And if they haven't unfriended you already, hey Wendy, hey Deb, then you know it's not a surprise to them that you're in network marketing. So you're not hiding anything. And so you know what you need to do is you need to stop chasing them. And one of the things that people like is people don't want to be told that they want to buy. I mean, think about it. Since we were 2 and we got potty trained, right? We like to be the boss of ourselves. We don't like anybody telling us what to do, right? And we don't like anybody telling us they want us to buy their product. We want to make the decision to buy that product. So why are you making it so hard for yourself? Why are you going after people and chasing them down and making them run away? Why are you... Can I say that you're disrespecting yourself by being that kind of person that's chasing people? Don't you trust that you have enough value in yourself to be able to properly represent what you're excited about and in a loving, kind, caring way to your target market? Don't you think that's so much better than just chasing people down? You see, attraction marketing is all about you building trust with people and just being yourself, because it's so much fun just being yourself. If I said to you I was going to give you $100,000 by just talking to people and being yourself, how many of you would be out there raising your hand? Man, that's me. That's what attraction marketing is. You're just being yourself. You're sharing your thoughts. You're sharing your concerns with people. And so instead of looking at people that you meet, instead of looking at people who you meet on Facebook or somebody you met in the mall, instead of looking them as a dollar sign, look at them as a person. And instead of thinking about, oh, how can I close this deal, ask yourself, how can I help this person? If we move our mindset to the let me help you kind of mindset, then we begin to look at the person as a person. And then we won't be like that person who spammed me on Facebook the other day and didn't even know what state I lived in because they didn't take the time to look at my profile. What if you did things differently? What if you stopped chasing people and just said, you know, listen, I know I have a fantastic opportunity and I want to share the benefits of my opportunity with the people that I care about. And then you started filling up your Facebook with all these good things to help your target market. Can you see what a difference that would mean? Can you see that somebody might come to your Facebook page and say, wow, what a breath of fresh air. I can go to this person's page, hi Bob, and I can just get the truth from them and they're not going to chase me. And you know what? Out of all those 1,500 people who are selling the same product, you know who they're going to buy from? They're going to buy from you. So attraction marketing, you don't have to chase people because your target market comes to you and they close themselves. So if you're struggling with chasing people, let me know and I can help you. Put the word help below or close below in the comments and I'll help you, show you how you can use attraction marketing to build your business, to gain revenue, to gain more people coming to your website, to gain more people interested in what you have to sell, and I'll show you how you can just be you and you never have to close a sale again. Isn't that something that makes doing your business a lot more fun? Just being yourself, just being a person of value. So stop chasing people, start caring more about them, start meeting their needs and posting things that are valuable and of content on your Facebook profile, and see how that changes your business. And I'd be glad to help you and give you all kinds of tips. Walk you through the process step by step if you need help. So does anybody now on live have any questions for me while you got me on live? Hey Shannon, how are you? Anybody's got a question that I can answer real quick? About attraction marketing, about not chasing people, how this whole process works. It actually really does work. And it's not hard to do at all. It's just that you're not using the traditional methods of chasing people like we've all been taught to in our online and network marketing companies. Okay, if you've got a question, just message me privately and I'll get back to you. But think about this one and stop being a hunter. Try being the one who's hunted. It's really fun. I'm the little engine that could, and you guys can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up. Andy, don't you give up. Shannon, don't you give up. Eamon, don't you give up. Don't you give up, Wendy. You just keep working after this because you guys can be successful if you use attraction marketing. God bless you. Have a great day.